Welcome to Bike Expert, where we bring you the latest news, reviews, and deep dives into everything motorcycle. Today, we're diving into an exciting release for 2025, the Yamaha XT 700. Yamaha has always had a solid reputation for delivering versatile and durable off-road bikes, and the XT 700 promises to continue that legacy. Let's take a closer look at what makes this bike so special. Overview of the 2025 Yamaha XT 700. The 2025 Yamaha XT 700 is an exciting addition to Yamaha's lineup of adventure and off-road motorcycles. Designed to cater to both experienced riders and enthusiasts looking to push their limits, the XT 700 blends rugged off-road capability with modern features, making it an ideal choice for anyone seeking adventure on two wheels. It's a bike that doesn't just focus on one aspect of riding but brings together performance, comfort, and versatility for a truly exciting experience. Engine and performance. The heart of the 2025 Yamaha XT 700 is its 689cc parallel twin engine. This engine is known for its robust power delivery and exceptional torque, which makes it perfect for tackling off-road terrain while still being smooth on highways. With a smooth, linear power band, it offers plenty of low-end grunt for those tough trails and hills, yet provides enough top-end power to cruise comfortably on longer rides. The engine is paired with a 6-speed transmission, giving riders optimal control and efficiency. Yamaha has also refined the engine to offer improved fuel economy, which is crucial for those long-distance off-the-beaten-path rides. The overall performance of the XT 700 offers a fantastic balance between off-road capabilities and everyday practicality. A standout feature of the XT 700 is its upgraded suspension system. It boasts a fully adjustable front and rear suspension setup, which allows riders to fine-tune the ride based on their terrain and riding style. Whether you're taking on rough mountain trails or cruising along dirt roads, the suspension ensures a comfortable and controlled experience. The front features a 43mm inverted fork, while the rear comes equipped with a monoshock system, both of which are designed to absorb shocks and give the rider better feedback from the terrain. Combined with a durable lightweight frame, the XT 700 offers outstanding stability and handling in all riding conditions. Whether you're navigating tight technical sections or tackling faster, more open trails, the handling of the XT 700 is sure to impress. Yamaha has designed the 2025 XT 700 with a focus on comfort and durability, which is key for riders who spend long hours on the bike. The seat is ergonomic, providing support for a wide range of body types, while the handlebars are positioned for an upright and comfortable riding posture. The foot pegs offer ample grip, ensuring that riders remain stable even on slippery surfaces. The bike's body is built to withstand harsh conditions, with high-quality plastic materials and a protective skid plate that shields vital components from damage when navigating rough terrain. Additionally, the XT 700 is equipped with a sleek, modern look that remains true to the classic Yamaha design language. Its rugged build